Now we are going to solve the next question 10.3. Find the time period of simple pendulum of 1 meter. In this question, we have to find the time period of simple pendulum whose length is 1 meter. Length is 1 meter and it is placed on earth and moon. It means we have to find the time period on two places on earth as well as on the moon. Once again, find the time period of simple pendulum of 1 meter length. Length is 1 meter and on two places we have to find its time period on earth and on moon. The value of g is given. The value of g on the surface of moon is 1 over 6 of the value of on earth, whereas the value of g on earth is 10 meter per second square. So we will solve it. L stands for the length is equal to 1 meter. This is the length of simple pendulum. GE, acceleration due to gravity on earth, is given in the question 10 meter per second square, whereas the acceleration due to gravity on moon is given the 1/6 of earth acceleration due to gravity. So 1 over 10, 10 is the acceleration due to gravity on earth. So we place the value here 1 over 10 and after solving it comes 1.6 meter per second square. Now acceleration due to gravity on earth is 10 meter per second square and acceleration due to gravity on moon it is 1.6 meter per second square. So we have to find the time period on earth as well as the time period on moon of simple pendulum. The formula, again the same formula, time period on earth is equal to 2 pi and length of simple pendulum on earth and acceleration due to gravity on earth and sine of square root. By placing the values, 2 will remain as it is. The value of pi 3.14, length of simple pendulum is 1 and value of acceleration due to gravity is 10. So while we solve this one, it comes 0.1. The sign of square root remain as it is. 2 into 3.4, 1.4. While we multiply, after taking the square root of this, multiplied by this one and this, it comes 0.316. It will as it is and 2 will also remain as it is. After solving, after multiplying all these three, we acquire 1.98 second. Now the second part of this question, TM mean time period of simple pendulum on moon. Again the same formula, only the difference between is this M. M stand for the moon. Now we place the values 2 into the value of pi 1 over 1.61. Acceleration due to gravity on moon, it comes 1.61. Now place the value and take square root of this one whole. After solving, take the square root and when we multiply both of them, it comes 4.85 second. Approximately it can be written as 4.9 second. So today we solved two numerical problems and tomorrow we will solve next two numerical problems. Thank you and God bless you.